Welcome to today's video, where we're going to dive deep into a topic that affects everyone, whether you're a leader, a manager, or on the front lines of work. We're talking about safety culture. Now, safety isn't just about following rules or wearing protective gear. It's about building a mindset across an entire organization. We'll break down Dominic Cooper's Improving Safety Culture, a practical guide, and explore how to create a thriving, safe workplace. Let's get started. First things first, what is safety culture? It's more than just a set of policies or safety rules. Safety culture is, simply put, the way we do things around here. It's the shared attitudes, values, and practices that everyone in the organization has about safety. A strong safety culture doesn't just happen. It's built over time, and when done right, it becomes an integral part of the work environment. It's not just the safety officer's responsibility, it's everyone's. According to Dominic Cooper, there are 3 distinct levels of effort needed to build a strong safety culture. Let's walk through each one. The first step is leadership. Safety culture begins at the top. This means the CEO, executives, and senior managers must actively support and lead safety initiatives. It's crucial to set measurable safety goals, short, medium, and long-term. These goals need to be well communicated to the entire organization. And here's the key. It's not just about planning. It's about regularly checking and reviewing those plans to ensure they're being carried out. The intermediate level focuses on the systems that keep safety culture alive. Here, management must develop integrated systems to monitor safety, track performance, and learn from safety audits. Having a solid safety management system is essential for continuous improvement. Now for the ultimate level, the human element. Winning over the hearts and minds of your employees is what will truly solidify a strong safety culture. You want everyone in the company to take ownership of safety, not because they are forced to, but because they want to. Let's take a closer look at leadership because without it, none of this works. A company's safety culture is shaped by the behaviors of its leaders. They need to do more than just talk the talk. They need to walk the walk. Effective safety leadership means setting safety objectives and making sure everyone knows about them. But beyond that, it's about being involved in the day-to-day safety performance. Regular reviews, audits, and active involvement show that leaders genuinely care about safety. One of the most practical tools for building and maintaining a safety culture is the safety audit. But what exactly is a safety audit? Well, it's a formal process where the safety management system is reviewed from top to bottom to make sure everything is working as it should. Audits should be regular and comprehensive, and most importantly, they should lead to action. If you uncover problems during an audit, those findings need to be addressed and fixed quickly. Regular audits keep the system sharp and prevent complacency. Another key component of safety culture is risk control. Risk assessments need to be carried out on all activities, from routine operations to high-risk tasks. Effective risk control means that not only are risks identified, but the appropriate control measures are fully implemented. And it's not just management's job. Employees should be part of this process too. Their involvement ensures that risk controls are practical and effective. Now, let's talk about engaging employees. Creating a strong safety culture isn't just a top-down process. It has to be driven by everyone in the organization. Every employee should feel empowered to speak up about safety concerns. This goes hand in hand with high-quality safety training. But remember, effective safety training is ongoing and tailored to the specific needs of the job. It's not just watching a safety video once a year. Regular hands-on training sessions make all the difference. When employees feel they can contribute to the safety process, they take ownership of it. They're no longer just following rules. They're actively involved in making the workplace safer for everyone. How do you know if your efforts are paying off? One way is by measuring the safety climate. This isn't the same as safety culture. It's about how employees feel about safety. A positive safety climate means employees trust the safety systems in place, believe management is committed, and feel personally responsible for safety. You can measure safety climate through surveys and assessments. These give valuable insights into what's working and what's not. By regularly checking in with employees, companies can identify gaps and make necessary adjustments before they become big issues. At its core, a strong safety culture changes behavior. Unsafe behaviors lead to accidents, and tackling these behaviors directly is one of the keys to successful accident prevention. Changing behavior isn't always easy, but when employees are motivated and supported, they begin to make safer choices on their own. The goal is to create an environment where safety is second nature, where employees don't have to be told to be safe, they just are. This transformation happens over time, but it's what separates average companies from those with a thriving safety culture. And let's not forget, building a strong safety culture isn't just about reducing accidents. It also boosts overall performance. Companies with strong safety cultures see improvements in employee morale, lower absenteeism, and even higher productivity. It's a win-win. Investing in safety saves money in the long run by reducing accidents, lowering insurance premiums, and cutting down on lost time. So, if you're still on the fence about the value of a strong safety culture, remember, it's good for people and great for business. Let's bring it all together. Building a safety culture requires commitment from leadership, strong systems for audits and risk control, and most importantly, the involvement of every single employee. It's not just about reducing accidents, it's about creating a better, more productive workplace for everyone. Thanks for watching. If you're passionate about improving safety at work, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more videos. Let's keep building safer workplaces together.